Okay, I just got the Saddlemen lower fairing kit for my 2021 Street Bob to mount up to the Saddlemen S-RT mini fairing. So I'm gonna do a little unboxing and install. Got instructions, so that's always good. Oh, let's see what these guys look like. I wanted to get these because on my last trip, it's never fun going down the interstate and getting hit in the shins with rocks. And so when I got back, this was one of the first things that I wanted to do. And plus, I think they look pretty rad, so I'm gonna give them a try. There you have it. It's pretty nice, pretty solid feeling. My fairing right there, the bracket actually broke on it on my last trip to Texas. Well, I'm about 3,000 miles in on crossing multiple states on the Saddlemen S-RT mini fairing, and a couple of bolts fell out, and I don't know if you can tell, but my bracket down there here at the bottom, the weld broke on it. So guess it couldn't handle the 50-mile-an-hour wind, so I did a slight repair, welded it back. I don't know, it is what it is. And we got some hardware here, all our screws, stuff, so let's get it installed. Everything's got a letter, so that way you know where it goes with the corresponding instructions. So good job, Saddlemen. Now the instruction says to loosely put everything in, so I'm not gonna torque these down quite yet.
Sometimes you can see things when needing time. Well, for you, I'll be putting it all aside.
Alright, it says torque these to 20 foot-pounds, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. I did put blue Loctite on that, so always Loctite Harleys. Now these are slotted, the fairings underneath here, so you can move them to your liking, depending on how you like them to sit on the fairing. So that's nice. So get her cinched down.
When I look at you, it seems I can get so
high. One side's done. Let's go do the other side.
What you give to me is so incredible. It's in me, I'm my own creditor. And the world is full with predators. But you show me the good and I'm getting there. When I look at you, it seems so damn easy to love. Was alone, now I'm feeling so alive.
there she is. Pretty easy install, and looks pretty cool.